When I think about the concept of a product life cycle, it's really the two bookends that I find the most interesting. So on one end, you have commercialization, where you're taking a product and finally putting it in the hands of the users that will help you realize the impact that you hoped you'd be able to make. An impact that may have kept you motivated through what can often be mundane execution of product development. At the other end of the spectrum is translation, where you're really working at the cutting edge of innovation to bring a technology to fruition through the intersection of strategy, design, and engineering, where a technology that has to address a large need that customers care about, where a single misstep could mean that you end up with a product that the market doesn't want. And so this, in my opinion, is really the most critical juncture of a product life cycle, which is what makes it exciting. At Ostiio, we're developing a more minimally invasive way to treat kids who have complex craniofacial abnormalities. Better treatment options that don't come with the risks inherent with today's treatments are critically needed for these patients and their families. But the incidence of these diseases isn't high. So we're not your typical VC fundable company. Grant funding has been instrumental to our ability to bring our technology to fruition, and the Resource Center specifically has been a game changer for us because they emphasize translation over scientific discovery, which is truly unique in the grant funding world and sets a much needed example that I hope others will follow.